Michael A. Genovese is a professor of political science and international relations here at LMU. He is the Loyola Chair of Leadership Studies, Director of the Institute for Leadership Studies, and President of the Global Policy Institute at Loyola Marymount University, and he's authored over 50 books. In 2017, Dr. Genovese was awarded the American Political Science Association's Distinguished Teaching Award, only the 5th time in the APUSA's history that this award has been given out. During the presidency of George H.W. Bush, Genovese served as a consultant on crisis management at the Department of Defense. Please give him a warm welcome.
Yeah.
No, you did it right. Don't make me hurt you. Wait, no. Okay, destination or journey. It's a false choice. The two are deeply interconnected, but it's the destination that you should decide upon first, because clearly both matter, but you young folks, I want to stress the importance of destination, of setting goals, of having high aspirations, of leading a purpose-driven life, of finding a North Star that's always your guidepost. Your destination sets a marker and a path for you on your journey. The journey is very important. Along the way, you'll be tested. You'll have hiccups, setbacks, failures, and successes, challenges and opportunities, forks in the road where you must choose the path to take. And that's why the destination is key. So yes, the journey is important, but always remember that the destination will set the goal that your journey can have its meaning. The great American philosopher Yogi Berra, who held court in stadia across the nation, once said, "If you don't know where you're going, how will you know when you get there?" And so, have a clear destination, a clear path. After years and years of highly supervised childhoods, the most highly supervised childhoods in human history, we throw you into the world unsupervised in the most unsupervised phase of American history. You'll need strong values and a clear destination in that world. And so in conclusion, remember that in whatever you do, always give 100%, unless you're donating blood.